RCS, or Rich Communication Services, is the next generation SMS protocol that brings advanced features like read receipts, typing indicators, and high-quality media sharing to your messages. Mint Mobile operates as a mobile virtual network operator on T-Mobile's network, which means RCS support depends on T-Mobile's infrastructure but can be less consistent for Mint users. If RCS isn't working on Mint Mobile, common reasons include delayed updates compared to direct T-Mobile customers. Incorrect access point name settings can prevent RCS connection. Mint Mobile requires fast.tmobile.com as the APN. Device compatibility plays a role too. iPhones lack native RCS support, so you need apps like Google Messages. Android devices typically support RCS through Google Messages, though issues can still arise. Overall, RCS problems on Mint Mobile stem from network dynamics and configuration challenges. Here are the troubleshooting steps to fix Mint Mobile RCS issues on iPhone and Android. First, verify your APN settings. Ensure your access point name is set to fast.tmobile.com. Check Mint Mobile's website or app for detailed instructions. Second, update your messaging app. Use the latest version of Google Messages on Android or a third-party RCS app like Google Messages on iPhone. Third, enable RCS in app settings. In Google Messages, navigate to Settings, then Chat Features, and make sure RCS is enabled. If needed, toggle it off and back on. Fourth, clear the app cache. On Android, go to Settings, then Apps, select Google Messages, and clear its storage and cache. Fifth, restart your device. A simple reboot can often fix temporary connection problems. Finally, contact Mint Mobile support. If nothing works, reach out to them to reactivate your SIM or investigate network-specific problems in your location. By following these steps, you can usually resolve most RCS problems on Mint Mobile. Remember that RCS availability can fluctuate, so patience is key.